In this video, we'll cover company details in your fieldwork settings. To access your fieldwork settings, click the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. The drop-down menu will include company setup information, pest and material settings, and device and trap settings. Click the company information to access general company details. Enter in all of the contact information, contact phone numbers, your company website. You may also choose a specific header color to identify the software specifically with your logo color, and upload your company logo in this section. In the company time settings, you can define the time zone for your business, the calendar time that displays on the work calendar. In additional options, you'll be able to select the option to send all customers emailed confirmations for pre-scheduled or future dated appointments. Within that section, you also will be able to choose to hide the exact time for the appointment in the email confirmation. The date will be sent to the customer and the time will be hidden. You will also be able to choose to display or view environment or weather-related fields on work orders. By selecting the automatically mark past scheduled appointments as missed, this will allow the system to mark all appointments that have not been completed on each day as missed. You will have the opportunity to reschedule or put those appointments back on the calendar. Starting customer numbers, starting estimate numbers, report numbers, invoice and transactions or payment numbers can all be defined. Fieldwork will default those numbers at 1000, but here is where you have the opportunity to define the number to what you would like it to be. The reply to address for emails that are sent to customers is best suited for a generic email like support. This is the email that all of your customers will see in the From field. When you select Receive copies of reports and invoices on the above address, this address will receive blind carbon copies of all emails sent out through the system to your customers. The report text is a footer that appears at the bottom of the work order. You are able to define exactly what you would like to say here. In addition to the work order footer, you also have the opportunity to define a message on your invoices. The customer portal that you receive with your Fieldwork account allows your customers to pay online using PayPal. If you have a PayPal merchant ID or a PayPal email, you can link your Fieldwork customer portal to your PayPal account and thus receive payments. When including the customer portal with your Fieldwork account, choose a URL or portal domain name that identifies with your business. Most common names are mirrors of your website or your website URL. The last selection on this page is to apply credits automatically, so all of your customers that have prepaid accounts or overages, if you select Apply Credit Automatically, all unspent customer balances will be automatically applied to new work orders and invoices automatically. Once you've completed this task, click Click the green Update Account, and your company information and details have been updated.